So for this DIY, you're going to need some form of stuffing. Now, of course, this stuffing right here is for the indoors. And I collected these from Scentbird. Scentbird sent me my package each month. And each month it comes in a little box like this. And inside, this one might be empty. And this, yeah, this one empty. So, and inside of them will be your stuff for the month and this right here. So you can use that as stuffing. Now, if you want to make your Christmas trees waterproof, stuff the burlap. You probably won't be able to use the fleece one, but the burlap one, you'll be able to make the burlap ones and stuff them with plastic bags, and that will make them waterproof. Now, I have all these different decorations over here. So, stuff I'm going to use in the 12 days of Christmas. So, you're going to need some ribbon of your choice. As you see, I got a lot of different ribbons. A lot of different ribbons. You're going to need some tumbling tower blocks. You're going to need some paint. I'm going to use red. That's another red. Red, black, and white. You're going to need a sponge brush or a paint brush. You're going to need burlap. And of course, you're going to need your hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. Oh, you're going to need something wood. You're going to need tongue depressors. You're going to need these. You can use the end of the paint brushes if you collect them. This is a good time to use them. You're going to need these. Whatever type of embellishment you want, that's what you're going to need.